right, and so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this Pixel Watch band. This one is actually metal, looks really amazing. Let's take it out of the box, slide it on out. That's it for the box. And this one even comes with the included tool. So with this tool, you're able to remove links as needed to make it fit your wrist better. And inside of here is the metal band. Look at that. Very, very nice. Let's take this plastic off, this one off. There's our stainless steel band. Very, very nice. And let's put it on our Pixel Watch. So to take off a Pixel Watch band, you've got a little button that's right here. And basically you just press it down and kind of push your watch band towards where you're pressing at. And you'll see now that's kind of indented. And then it should just push over that way and pop right off. Same for this side. Find your little button there, press down, push towards, and pops right off. Nice and easy. Putting them on is the same way. You literally start at the button. That part is the button right there. You start at the button, make sure it's pressed down, and then you're able to slide it on and it locks right into place. Very intuitive, very, very easy. And hopefully they keep this method. Look at that. That took seconds. So as I slide this on, I can tighten it, and look at that. It fits me perfectly. Like, I don't even got to remove any links. I have a pretty big wrist though, I would say, but there it is. This stainless steel Pixel Watch band. Absolutely love it. This is actually what I'm going to leave on mine. I love the look of this. Absolutely love, just nice and easy. That is, and I like the metal look a lot better. This is how the watch should have been made from the get-go. So thanks again to this company for sending me this Pixel Watch band. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.